Srimati Shilpa Shinde, who is Secretary IT, Department of Information Technology, Government of Goa. Madam will talk about technology in Goa and excerpts of IT investment policy, which was being unveiled recently by Honorable Chief Minister. So without any delay, I request ma'am to please come on stage and talk about IT investment policy of Goa. A round of applause for ma'am Shilpa Shinde, please.
Respected Principal Secretary Industries, Shri Arun Goyal sir, my seniors from the service who have come to attend this meet, distinguished panelists, key speakers, friends from media, as well as the valuable inputs which they gave us for formulating the draft information technology policy of the state of Goa. I must mention that it was only due to the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister and the guidance given by him that we could prepare this draft IT policy. You could see from the Honorable Chief Minister's speech that he has gone into so much detail that he has covered entire policy, and I'm actually not left with anything to present. And for your information, the draft IT policy is available at our website www.goa.gov.in and will be open to suggestions and comments for about a month. You can send your mail to dir-dit.goa@nic.in. Since Principal Secretary and my previous speakers have covered in detail the technology and the policy, IT draft policy, I'll only focus on few issues. One of the most important factor for the investors is how fast do they get their clearances in order to speed up and simplify the clearance process. All these proposals for investors will be processed through a single window clearance, which will save time and cost of the investors. We are in the process of fixing time limit for providing clearances, which will be notified in the due course of time. And in the last 2 days, we could see a lot of discussion and a lot of articles in the newspapers, and there's a lot of discussion going around whether Goa has required skilled manpower to cater to the IT, ITS and ESDM industry. As mentioned by our previous speakers, Goa has literacy rate of around 88.7% and has 5 engineering colleges, 14 diploma colleges and 1 NIT and 1 proposed IIT, providing around 3,000 technically skilled manpower every year. Further, there is a scheme under Government of India called as Scheme for Financial Assistance to Skill Development in Electronic System Design of Manufacturing, in line with the ESDM policy of the Government of India. We have tied up with NILIT, National Institute of Electronics and IT, to get benefits under this scheme to prepare employment ready skilled human resource for the ESDM sector. So we are promising the investors what we can offer and what we have. So IT companies, you are welcome to Goa. Thank you.